Hi everybody, welcome back to Bugging Out Rv'N. I'm Kelly.
And I'm David. In today's video, we're going to be replacing our RV vent covers on the roof. So this was the old one. You can see it's pretty dry rotted, so it's time for a new one. And we got the set. It was around $40 or so. We got them from Amazon. They're universal fit. You will have to install the brackets, and they come with the brackets and the little hardware. But one thing I do want to let you know, this was the one from the bathroom. We've already done it. And this little center bar, pay special attention to the way you put it in, because if it's backwards, you will be redoing the whole thing because it will not work. And you'll see what I mean. You see this little opening right here? Well, inside on your crank, there's a little arm that goes in here. Allow it to slide up and down as you lift it and lower it. And if it's backwards, it will pop out and you will be redoing the whole thing. Trust me, I know. So we're going to get started. I'm going to go ahead and install the bracket. And when we get that done, we'll show you how to get it replaced. All right, now that we got the bracket installed, we're going to go inside and get the inside ready. Okay, now that we got the shroud off, we're going to have to get the crank handle off so we can get the screen off. All right, now that we got the inside done, I'll meet you up top. Oh, good, you're already up here. So real quick, 2 reminders before we get started. One, if you're not real comfortable getting on the roof of your RV or your travel trailer, find somebody that is, or take it to somebody that's qualified, a dealership or a local repair shop. And 2, if you haven't done so already, head down and punch that like button. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, we're back up here on the roof, and funny story actually. We had the entire video recorded, putting in the new vent, taking off the old vent. And when we went to play back the video for publishing, we realized that the audio didn't record. A video with no audio is absolutely useless to you. So there's a few things I do want to point out. Okay, if you remember at the beginning of the video, when I was talking about this slide arm assembly, if you have this backwards, when you lower this vent, this little arm right here with this clip on it, it will slide up and it will pop out of this hole when it's backwards. So make sure that this hole is towards the hinge. So to get these off, I'll show you on the old one here. To actually get it off, at the very end, right here on the hinge, there's a little tab. From a side view, it looks just like this. You pry it open with a screwdriver or needle nose or whatever, and this whole assembly slides straight off. Put the other one on, you slide the new one on, and you bend the tab back down. You hook this arm assembly back up, and you're finished. And that's that.